Hey everyone, Allison here. So, I had a surprise giveaway and it is done. The winner is, and I will announce right now. Actually, I'll post the picture of who won right now. Congratulations, star-crossed stitches. You need to get a hold of me through email, and then what I'll do is I'll send the $25 gift card from Amazon via email. That way, or e-card, however it's called, straight to your email, so you'll have it instantly. All right. Okay, I love you guys. I hope you had a wonderful week. It is a TGIF, and as always, smile and look. Nothing's coming up yet. In fact, it probably won't until probably next week. Well, for these four, maybe next week. These guys I just did, if you notice, on the 4th, so this will be a couple of weeks. These four I did on the 28th, so they could start sprouting next week, possibly. Yeah, 7 to 10 days is about when they can start sprouting. Anyhow, I love y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful Friday, and as always, smile. Bye-bye.